Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scrap Timber Video a Day. And this is the second sketch that I'm using from Heather Little, and it's on a Tuesday, obviously, so that's what it is. So I'm just showing you all of that. And I do follow the sketch to the T. You can also make sure that you go check out Heather's Dream of Sketches that you can get all of these sketches from. That's where I got this from. I purchased it. It was only $5. It's amazing. It's got tons of sketches in there, and she's got it breaking up. I love it. It's gorgeous. You gotta go get it. So I do follow this sketch pretty much to the T. So I have this old vintage style photo play that I cannot get anything but what I have, which is just the papers and a little bit of stickers. And I got this at the expo when I went with Heather this summer in July to and that was in Georgia, here in Duluth. The Scrappo Expo, there we go, that's what it's called. So as I'm doing this page up, and you see that I pull out all the papers and I look it over and all that kind of stuff, the photos that you will see this week and what you will see next week with the same sketch are two different. What I wanted to do is that one of these was going to sit on one side, and then the other page, which is going to be done next week, is the complimentary page, and they're the exact same photos, but one is in color. The other ones are in black and white. So this week you will see the black and white photos. Next week you will see the colored ones. And I do use the sketches from Heather's as well. So here I am. I'm just pulling out all the papers that I want. I really enjoyed how this one looks because there's tons and tons of inspiration on it, along with a bunch of layering, and it fits my forte, I guess, for the amount of layering I do perfectly. And of course I distress the edges of my papers. It's either my thing or it's just something that I like right now at this point. So here I am. I'm just placing the colors the way I want, and I take my tiny attacher and I get them to work. And here I go. I distress. Gotta love my garbage can, right? All that garbage in there? Yeah. It's the one that I sit on my desk. It's, if anybody wants to know, it's my little thing from 31. They fold, I take that everywhere with me. So that's what that is. Just so if you guys wanted to know. So here I am. I place all them down, and then there are my photos. And I do play with this just a little bit to get it right. But these are like I said, these are the black and white photos. My husband is I'm just going to say it this way. We're voluntold that we have to go to at least one ball, which is the Army ball. It's the signal ball for him because he's in signal. And the NCO runs this particular event here on this installation where we're at. And both my husband and I would rather not dress up at all. And we're not ones to get like this. If we can stay in jeans and a t-shirt, we're perfect. So what I decided to do is that, you know what, we're going to take this by force. So pretty much, he's standing there at attention, and I am leaning up against him with a stern face. Like, I'm not smiling or anything on him. And it's just pictures that were done prior to the ball. We went with a group of friends. And we went. So we normally don't go, but now we have to due to his rank and everything like that. So now, you know, I don't have to go. I could stay home and be one of them wives. But I'm not going to be that wife. I am going to make sure I go. Excuse me. But we just make fun of each other because we really don't like dressing up. So back to the layout. I put down some of the stickers. There's that amazing camera. How gorgeous is that camera? I just love it. Love it. And of course, all the still shots are at the end. Make sure that you go check out all of the other ladies that are scrapbooking every day, showing up process videos, all of that jazz. Who knows what am I doing now? I have done some, so I'm going to let you guys know. I've been doing these videos. Oh, I was getting thickers. Okay, there we go. But I've been doing videos, and then now I'm just getting to the voiceovers because I didn't want to do up these like in the middle of August and then something changed, which it did change for the respect of who's going to be linked down below. It's just, you know, life got crazy with some of them that wanted to do it and then decided not to because it's just, you know, life got crazy. And really, I essentially was doing voiceovers and realized that, thank golly, I stopped doing voiceovers until I got closer to September because things have changed. And so I am calling this layout literally what it says down there. Bad da 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 da. Because we really look like that. I always call it that. So here I am. I'm taking my white gel pen and going along the edge there, making that white. And then I take my black marker because it's kind of like this black and white style. So then I take the black and I go along that edge of it. And then I get out the black and white splatters. My splatters I use is gesso because that's all the white I have right now for that part. So I do get that out. And then I do a little bit of drawing there. I think I take my white back out as well. Maybe I don't. Nope, I guess I don't. So I was going to use my washi or my regular color, and then I decided to get the gesso out and go that way and do my white on that respect of kind of having that black and white effect. And then I get out the black from Shimmers, the Aquatones that are no longer available, unfortunately, and do the black. And then the still shots are coming out. Check with you tomorrow. Bye.